Okay, Xiaomi might have just made one of the biggest upgrades to the Smart Band category this year, because the new Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro is looking way more premium than what you'd normally expect from a fitness tracker. I mean, just look at this thing. You're getting a super slim 9.7mm body, a huge 1.74-inch AMOLED display, insanely thin bezels, and a brightness level that now goes up to 2000 nits, which means even under direct sunlight this thing should stay perfectly visible. And honestly, the design is starting to blur the line between a smart band and a full smartwatch. So in this video, we're going through everything new with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, the upgrades that actually matter, and whether this could finally be the best budget wearable you can buy right now. And before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and drop a like, because we're covering all the latest smartwatches, phones, and crazy tech launches right here on the channel. Now, the first thing that stands out is definitely the display. Xiaomi bumped this up with a 60Hz refresh rate, brighter global brightness at 1500 nits, and those symmetrical ultra-thin bezels make the whole thing look seriously futuristic. It honestly gives off flagship smartwatch vibes instead of budget fitness band energy. The aluminum alloy frame also looks cleaner and more durable this time, and Xiaomi says it's stronger while still staying lightweight at just over 21 grams. There's also a ceramic edition which honestly looks insanely premium for something in this category. And the cool thing is Xiaomi is offering different colors and a bunch of watch faces, so you can actually style this like a proper wearable and not just a fitness tracker. Battery life also sounds kind of ridiculous here because Xiaomi claims up to 21 days on light usage, 15 days with normal use, and even with always-on display turned on you're still getting around 8 days. That's honestly way ahead of most smartwatches right now. And from a real-world perspective, that means less charging anxiety and more actually wearing the device. Plus, the dual device sync feature is something I didn't expect. If you're using both a Xiaomi phone and an iPhone, this band can apparently sync notifications from both devices at the same time. That is genuinely useful for people switching between work and personal phones. But where Xiaomi is really pushing this device is health tracking. There's a brand new PPG sensor module with dual light sources and dual PD sensors for more accurate heart rate monitoring. And now they've added HRV tracking during sleep, which is a feature we normally see on way more expensive wearables. Sleep tracking also got upgraded with better accuracy for sleep stages and wake detection. And Xiaomi is even collaborating with professional sleep organizations for detailed sleep insights and improvement plans. So this thing is trying to become more than just a step counter. It's actually moving toward proper recovery and wellness tracking. And for fitness users, this band is packed. You get more than 150 sports modes, underwater heart rate tracking for swimmers, independent 5-satellite GNSS positioning, and improved running track accuracy with corner drift correction. That's a huge deal for runners because cheaper wearables usually struggle with accurate route tracking. Cyclists also get real-time ride data synced directly from the phone, and there's Bluetooth heart rate broadcasting too, which means you can pair this with third-party fitness apps or cycling computers. So Xiaomi is clearly targeting serious fitness users now instead of just casual step tracking. By the way, if you're enjoying the review so far and want more real tech breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because there's a lot more upcoming wearable coverage on the way. Another underrated upgrade is the haptics. Xiaomi added a high-voltage linear motor with sharper vibration feedback. And honestly, that matters more than people think because better haptics make the whole device feel more premium during notifications, workouts, alarms, and navigation. It's one of those small details that completely changes the daily experience. And with 5 ATM water resistance, swimming support, and standalone GPS tracking without needing your phone nearby, this thing is becoming incredibly practical for everyday use. Now, obviously, this is still not a medical device, and Xiaomi clearly mentions that, but for a smart band category product, the amount of features they've packed in here is kind of crazy. Better display, stronger design, longer battery life, smarter health tracking, serious sports features, and premium styling all in one compact wearable. So if Xiaomi prices this aggressively like they usually do, the Smart Band 10 Pro could easily dominate the budget wearable market this year. Honestly, this might be the closest we've gotten to a true smartwatch experience inside a fitness band form factor. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and if you'd actually choose this over a smartwatch. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.